Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got a grammar challenge packed with 35 tricky MCQs to really test your skills. Think you can handle them all? Let's get started. 1. Identify the correct sentence. The cake needs to be baked for 20 minutes. Tips: add s to need in the third person singular. 2. Choose the correct sentence. She is smarter than her sister. Tips: avoid more with comparatives ending in er. 3. Which sentence is correct? He explained the problem to me. Tips: use to after explain to show the action's recipient. 4. Choose the correct version of the sentence. She walks quickly to school every morning. Tips: modify walks with the adverb quickly. 5. Identify the correct sentence. Neither the movie nor the actors were good. Tips: use were with plural subjects after neither nor. 6. She to the market every day. Goes. Tips: use goes for she in the third person singular. 7. Which sentence is correct? If I go to the party, I will have fun. Tips: use present simple in the if clause of the first conditional. 8. Identify the correctly punctuated sentence. My brother, who loves reading, is very smart. Tips: set off non-essential clauses with commas. 9. Choose the correct sentence. The books on the table need to be rearranged. Tips: use need for plural subjects and to be for passive voice. 10. Which sentence is grammatically correct? There are a number of books on the shelf. Tips: use are with plural subjects even with a number of. 11. Identify the correct sentence. I will finish my homework before he comes. Tips: use the simple present tense after before for future actions. 12. She, every morning at 6 a.m. Wakes up. Tips: use wakes up for she. 13. Which of the following is correct? They were happy, although they didn't win the game. Tips: place a comma before although for contrast. 14. Choose the correct sentence. John likes coffee more than I do. Tips: use do after I for comparison clarity. 15th. Which sentence is correct? It's so cold that I can't go outside. Tips, so emphasizes coldness. 16. Choose the correct sentence. He will study until he finishes his homework. Tips, use finishes with the singular subject he. 17. Identify the correct sentence. The children have finished their homework. Tips, use have with plural subjects like children. 18. Which sentence is correct? She doesn't like either of the options. Tips, use either for a choice between two. 19. Choose the correct sentence. If I were there, I would help you. Tips, use for hypothetical I situations. 20. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She has a lot of work to do. Tips, she needs has for the third person singular. 21. Which sentence is correct? I'm going to the park this afternoon. Tips, use him going for planned actions. 22nd. Which sentence is correct? Neither of the books is on the shelf. Tips, neither takes is as a singular subject. 23. Which is the correct usage? He is one of those people who believe in magic. Tips, people is the plural form of person. 24. Which sentence is correct? I can hardly wait for the weekend. Tips, place hardly after can. 25. Which is the correct form? She's been working here for 5 years. Tips, use for periods of time. 26. Which sentence is correct? He must have left by now. Tips, must have refers to past actions. 27. Which sentence is correct? Neither of them has arrived yet. Tips, neither takes has as a singular subject. 28. Choose the correct sentence. She told me that she was going to leave. Tips, that is optional but adds clarity. 29. Which sentence is correct? It's an easier task than I thought. Tips, use easier as the comparative of easy. 30. Which sentence is grammatically correct? He quickly ran to the store. Tips: ran is the correct past tense form. 31. Which sentence is correct? He came later than I did. Tips: use I did for past comparisons. 32. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She did the homework quickly. Tips: use quickly to describe how homework was done. 33. Which sentence is correct? The books that are on the table are mine. Tips: use that or which for things, and who for people. 34. Choose the correct sentence. He has fewer books than I. Tips: use fewer with countable nouns. 35. Which sentence is correct? She speaks English well. Tips: use well to describe how someone speaks. How many tricky ones did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more grammar challenges.